Today we have connected together to read our new chapter, that is combustion. Here in this combustion chapter we will study something related with the heat energy and the light energy. What is some combustion and what do we mean by the term combustion? Combustion is actually the chemical process in which any substance, when burned in presence of the oxygen, it gives heat and light. Actually, the term combustion is actually related with the fire or the flame, and also it is related to the fuel. As we have studied in our class 5 that the fuel is the substance which when burnt in presence of the oxygen, it also gives heat and light. There we have studied about the solid fuel, liquid fuel and the gaseous fuel. We have also studied the examples of these fuels, as the solid fuels are solid and the examples are coal and the wood. Regarding the liquid fuel, it is the kerosene and the petrol, as we have studied there. And also regarding the gaseous fuel, we have studied that it is the CNG, it is the LPG. You also know its full form, CNG, that is the compressed natural gas, and LPG, that is the liquefied petroleum gas. And all these two are very useful for us. And as we have also studied about the green fuel, these are the fuels which cannot produces smoke and do not leaves the ash. So they are called the green fuel. You have studied in class 5 there also. So today we will learn something new about the combustion, that there are certain substances which can catch fire and there are certain substances which cannot catch fire. So the substances which catches fire, they are said to be combustible substance. The substances which can not catch fire, they are said to be non-combustible substances. So substances which catch fire, they are the combustible substance. See, I am taking one candle made from the wax. I am taking this candle made from the wax, and here it is the matchstick. Now I am producing the flame with the help of this candle, with the help of this matchstick. So matchstick is the source of the fire, and here it is the combustible substance. This is the source of the fire and this is the combustible substance. So when I put a rub this matchstick, what happens? It catches fire and the wick burns. And the wick burns. So you are observing that the candle lit up, and this is the actually combustion process is going on. Combustion process is going on. Here what happens? Combustion process, here you just see that the heat, it is the heat. When I am putting the hand here, what happens? I cannot put my hand just near, or you can say below, much belower than this. So why? Because it produces the heat energy and it produces light also, as you all are observing here. So what we can say, the combustion process is going on, and here the candle burns and it gives us heat as well as the light energy. The process is going on, that is the combustion, and the substance, that is a candle which burns, that is the combustible substances. So on the basis of the burning, there are two types of the substances. First one is the combustible substances which catches fire easily, and another is the non-combustible substances which cannot catch fire easily. So mainly there are the two substances. Now let I see here the two. I am observing here the two. See here in this plate I have taken two things. In one plate I have taken this. This is the material. All these materials are combustible material. It is the paper, the piece of the paper. This piece of the paper, it catches fire easily. See here, it catches fire easily. So you are observing the paper catches fire easily, and we can say it is the combustible material. It catches fire easily, so it is a combustible material. Now see here it is the cotton cloth. This one is the cotton cloth. This cloth is black in color. It is also a combustible substance, and see here what happens. It catches fire easily. So what can we say? We can say that it catches fire easily, so it is the combustible substance. Now see here, it is the what is this? This is the matchstick, and when I am putting here it in the fire, what happens? It catches fire easily. See, this is the matchstick, so it is also the combustible substance. Now we can see here that it is the what is this? This is the rubber band. This is the rubber band. So let you observe that it catches fire also easily. So you can see that all these substances which catches fire easily, they are said to be combustible substance. But there are certain substances which cannot catches fire easily. See in this plate. See in this plate that here it is the glass. This is a piece of the glass, and it is the nail. It is the nail. This one is the nail, and iron nail, and here it is the glass. Here it is the glass. So can glass catches fire? Let me examine. Let me examine that here when I am putting here, when I am putting here in this, when I am putting here in it in the flame, what I observe? That it does not catch fire. What I